Don't worry, friends. We don't need sunshine to have fun.
But what can we do inside?
I have an idea. Let's build a fort.
This blanket is so heavy.
Teamwork makes the best forts.
I'm Captain Karapi. Prepare for takeoff.
Watch out for space cupcakes.
Even rainy days can be magical, with a little imagination.
Best rainy day ever. When the weather turns gloomy, let your imagination shine. The best adventures happen when you make them together.
What do you like to do on rainy days? Like and subscribe for more fun stories.